Anyway, guys, welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like it, comment. Say happy Tuesday, happy 26th. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. And without me wasting your time, let's get to start today. Guys, did you still remember when Meji revealed a lot of stuff about his wife, rooting for Thandeka? He even said the wife will go and buy so many SIM cards just to vote for Thandeka. Even on the last day, she was forcing everyone to vote for Thandeka, guys. She wanted Thandeka to win, guys. And now everything is done. Housemates are out of the house. They are now focusing on their life. So Meji and his company, he was one of the sponsors of Big Brother Mzansi season 6 Chillers Punch. They have opportunity to choose 2 or 3 of their housemates to be their ambassador, guys. So yesterday they announced who's going to be their ambassador for Chillers Punch 2026 and 2027. It happened that they chose Udidi, Ilano, and the Dawn, and the people are now crushing. For you to be ambassador for Chillers Punch, you need to be 18 and 28, and Thandeka, she's above that, guys. So obviously she doesn't qualify. Italians, they were 100% sure Ogote or Meji hold choose Thandeka, guys. Even when she went to a podcast, Yaka Meji, she revealed that she loves the Chillers Punch drink, guys. People were 100% sure Ogote no Meji, since the wife loved Thandeka, it's obvious that they're going to take it Thandeka, guys. And now the Italians are saying about it. Now I believe people when they say Meji was using Thandeka for clown. So people are now complaining, tagging Meji, say you were so unfair to Thandeka. You could have chosen Thandeka to be one of your ambassador for Chillers Punch 2026 to 2027. Let's be honest when it comes to Thandeka, guys. Yesterday she posted a YouTube to say she needs to get to 100,000 subscribers for her to post intro video. Come on, guys, let's be honest. Last week she went live on TikTok. She was telling people, guys, the photo shoot is ready. I'm just gonna post the dololo. Today is Tuesday. She has nothing. She has never posted anything. Right now she's busy posting to say people need to follow her on Facebook. What's Thandeka, guys? She's not serious, guys. The Italians, they've done their part. You need to meet them. They're halfway, guys. So obviously Umejik saw that and he was like, no, I'm not gonna risk my brand using with Thandeka, guys. Thandeka, she's a huge risk. Let's all be honest. You can never trust it. The next thing you need to call her out to say, Thandeka, we need you in Johannesburg 7:30. She's not gonna arrive. She's gonna tell you that I need to sleep, I need to take care of myself. What Thandeka needs to build her social media platform before she can get recognized, guys. If she really wants to build, she wants to be a content creator, she needs to firstly do a self-introspection, need to come out with ideas how to handle social anxiety, because it seems like she's suffering from that, guys. There's a lot of things that we don't know about Thandeka, guys, and she's promised people a lot of things and nothing she has delivered. And one thing about the Italians, guys, they will protect with Thandeka, guys. They need to wake up and smell the coffee, guys. There's a house coming for Thandeka on 2 May 2026. I don't know what's going to happen. I'm just gonna watch because people think we're jealous of Thandeka. So anyway, guys, tell me in the comment section what you think. Do you think Meji was wrong for not choosing Thandeka? Don't forget to subscribe.